Hello everyone, welcome to Foos Cooking. Today's recipe is a mutton dish. It's a very famous Kashmiri dish. It's a mutton Rogan Josh. Now let's begin. In a pan, add ghee, 5 tablespoons of ghee. Once it has melted down, add in the sliced onions and cook it till it becomes golden brown. Once it has become golden brown, add in the mutton chunks. This is about 500 grams of mutton. Cook it for 5 minutes on a high flame. Add in salt, spoon of salt. Add in yogurt, 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt, and combine well and cook for 5 minutes on a high flame. After 5 minutes, add in black cardamom. It gives good flavors. Mix well and cover and cook. Now you'll need to make a paste. 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, red chili powder 2 tablespoons, Kashmiri red chili powder, tablespoon of asafoetida, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Give it a good mix. Once it's mixed well, pour some water, about 1 cup of water, and make a lump-free mixture. Now you have to pour this to the mutton. Combine well and cover and cook on a low flame for 30 minutes, or you can put this mixture into the pressure cooker and cook the mutton. You have used the slow cooking process. This takes about 30 minutes. You'll need to add in the whole spices: cardamom 5 to 6, 1 piece of nutmeg, and 1 tablespoon of jeera. Since this is a very less quantity, you won't get it powdered well, so I'm crushing it in and boiling it in water, half cup of water, so that you get the flavors well. Once it's boiled well, you need to add this to the mutton, strain it, and cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. Cover and cook so that the flavors get locked. After about 5 minutes, you get a thick gravy consistency. Now it's ready to be served. Serve it hot and enjoy your yummy Kashmiri Rogan Josh. Try out my recipes and post your feedbacks in the comment section below. Kindly subscribe to my channel and do come back for more recipes. Thank you.